Most of the things that when we see the poor hand these days now, our young boys, now we say you go call for courtesan, and then now you call for examination malpractices, and then now you go call for electoral malpractices, and then now you go call for robbery, and then now you go put for every bad things that when we say you think of. We come to ask ourselves, they no go fit branch, do something. School, this way if you go school, come back, work no day like that when they say yes, they'll come give to you. You no go learn work, or you no go into business. If we want learn work, we want go into business, how we go take do one? Now because when we say we go outside, we go based on two people that won't be say we see there be two enterprising young men for those to make the contact to us. First we get our friend, our brother here, Siri Omoroge, when we say you come for the builders. Welcome to our program.
I greet you, boss.
I greet you.
Yes,
I will get somebody here to our friend and brother to come back when we say we call they be our friend and they be our brother. Yes. Our friend and brother Matthew Orobosa Eyobo. Welcome to our program.
Good morning.
So if you call shoemaking directorate, you will know who will be say we talk about. Now be that. I want to find out from you. Our boys these days hardly for be say they see them. They go into business and all of that. But instead the bad things when be say they now because it's difficult to enter business, I've been waiting because you're a businessman.
Guys, I do. You're the only man of the people. The thing be say, not really as if say business really difficult, but the truth is, consistency is the rule of the game.
Okay.
Business when be say it will really stand. The first 5 years, it will be very, very tough. Then the other 5 years, you can't see for the middle, it will be like say the business will crumble. But if that business will rise up, say it stand the space of time, that business not will fall again. That's the secret truth. But it is very, very tough because one thing, capital join. Another thing, now for you to know, say yes, say this one, now what I really want. You got to know where you from they come. When would they grow up before now? Now what the country will give us, now what they think about. But currently right now, and even if I go anywhere, go give speech or anything, we try to tell the youth of today, say, it's high time you start thinking of what you can give to the country, not what the country can give to you.
Or if I'm talking if you give your country, what you can give to yourself.
Yes, what you can give to yourself. But most especially, what you can give to your country. The reason is, as of 2007, then I never ever went to school. Then I thought of something like, what will be the problem when it be say Nigeria they face, especially Edo State when I did. Then I could find out say that's at that period that was before our Oba make that pronouncement of OCDA.
Okay.
That was still the same time. That was before then when Governor Obaseki come when they can't do this and everything. Yeah, these are like years ago. That time we go here is a chair, is a table, is an annual chair, is a rubber chair. Now there is a person go want work. If you want dig foundation, you go see they will come collect development fee. If you want dig, even if say you want to put gate for your house, because you collect fee. And at the same time, if you want to buy the land, now issue. If you buy land for you now, that's okay. As you buy from community today now, everybody know these things. Tomorrow when you go there, I'll tell you say you go inside because why? Maybe that place don't appreciate the push you go inside. You go the next 2 days because maybe another person they already give. Now they go give you. Why? Because not be say most of those.
So that the things where push you motivate you into business, not be this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Not be say most of these people, not be say the community really want do that kind of thing. Say to carry person go to change the person land. No, they not get that attention. I can tell you. But the truth is, not be only one person. Now, if one person they govern community, but they get other boys when they enter inside the bush, go they allocate the land. You understand? This one, if you go allocate this one today without going back, meeting the association, the CDA and all that, that was them. Meeting them and tell them that, see, I don't allocate this place out to no, you know, go fit go back, go tell them. Then even if you tell some set, the other set fit go allocate another one. Go, when I can't think I can't store down. So, oh, so if a company now, if you get this whole entire portion, having getting it, after some time, say the place don't appreciate, you begin to sell. That one me say, you yourself now, because of say you get your own team, and that your team, all of them they remit to computer in their office. They check and say this thing, so once they allocate this one, they go come back to system, come check and say this one they go allocate, they go click them. Then next time they no go allocate that one. Meaning that will be a solution to land issue.
Okay, I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. Make I meet you. Mr. Yobo. Is the person want to talk to you? I want to find out for you, my brother.
Yes.
You know, one day when BCS people know for the making of shoes and all of that kind of thing.
Yes.
This is another way of, say, self-employment and all of that. I want to find out from you, what thing will make person think and say, yes, say, he want to go into a own business? Why go into your own business? When we say government, if you give a work, or if you go look for work, person we say go work for.
Yes, talking about youth and entrepreneurship, like my brother Siri don't explain, say, you go identify an area you want meet people need.
Okay.
That is the pushing passion. Note that word, pushing passion. As in there is a problem in the society, you want solve am.
Okay. So the black you want to solve before you say you go take of yourself.
So even think of yourself.
Okay.
Because by the time you solve that problem, then people will now pay attention to you. Because everybody have their own problem. So they will now have the cost to run. Why be say some big men, people, they, like now, you see some big men, they don't want to entertain some strangers, or they don't want to entertain even some visitors. Because maybe they feel say they want to come collect from them. But when you see say a big man come, they look for you, you know say you get waiting you get.
Get to do your hand
Where they find. So one thing is that by the time you identify a problem in the society and you make a move to solving it, that is the pushing passion that will bring about entrepreneurship. And again, coming to you, taking care of yourself in the long run.
Make you suffer for the grammar with these people.
No wahala, we go break am down. When it be say you want, baby say you know come go dey look for money, or you want to take care of your family, because nobody go just come dey give you money every day. Say take rent house, take buy motor. No, it is the amount of problem you are able to solve that will give you a return for your sustenance.
Okay.
And the something wey dey be say today now shoemaking is becoming a brand, though we are not talking about that. But before now, it dey derogatory. We just call shoemaker. Even by now, if I say I'm a shoemaker, people go say, maybe they use as scam, or they take and do something.
By the time you enter that business, not just do that business the way everybody take they do it before now. Because if you keep doing one business,
When is that way people they do it before?
you get the same result. But that extra goal or strategy you bring into it will redefine
Yeah,
it.
that man talk and say, he say everything they do and the normal thing.
You see.
But when you can't do the extra, come put that for the front of the ordinary whereby you don't become extraordinary.
Extraordinary.
So that be the thing. So
That is why you won't feel even be say you dey fry akara, or you even dey into tailoring, or you even dey into this road maintenance. If you look at the traffic, all these traffic policemen and all that, the way you do it, the way you conduct, will give a signal to somebody. That exceptionality you bring to it makes you outstanding.
Yes.
You know, in the course of the business. Like my brother was talking about the problem of CD and all of that. He thought of something, and today he's solving it. You don't buy.
and after that problem when they say they solve now, it they even improve
That
yourself.
give a confidence to those in abroad to say, okay, let me buy.
Okay.
You know, I will not have problem of people will sell it. I will not go and be for reallocation and all that.
Okay. Now ask us one thing now.
Yes.
With this kind of thing, there's somebody you will go learn work.
Yeah.
Maybe you will learn, you talk to, you learn how to fry akara.
Yes.
You learn how to sew clothes.
Yes.
You talk about shoemaking and the rest. Now, you don't go learn these skills and the rest. But for you to come do the work now, now there problem go there. When I will call capital.
Okay.
How we go take get capital when we say you do it? So people will promise you, yes, we will give you, when we train you, we will give you something startup package.
Yes.
At the end of the day, say you know, say, where that was make a.
Ogasado, it seems be say every business gets in your capital, yes. But the truth is, my business, I started my business with nothing.
Okay.
That's just the truth. There are still some business when we say you carry shock. Now shock, now to start my business. I find board, I write shock, room to let,
Okay.
now to start my business. Go drop am for junction. The when I drop am for junction, people come begin they call.
See where the
Land, where the house dey. From there, I could begin to give room out, normal passage house. The way they rent am, I gather the money. From there, I come gather, I come fit go do small signboard. When I dey do that, I go even see Zobo for ground, I go bend leg, I start to hang my signboard there. I come out, they go call. From signboard, now we come to enter media house. So Rome, they say, was not built in a day. You must start from scratch. Any business, even the shoe business, I believe, say, you know, you're getting 1 million naira to start out.
We are coming there.
You must start
for the beginning.
You must start from somewhere. The reason that your question you ask us now, say, why we not want maybe so go work on that government. My father, for example, he retired as a chief driver, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Yes, he pension. They pay high gratuity.
Okay, you know what you did there? This story you go talk out, and when we come back, I'll be saying you finish this story. My brother, he will not go anywhere because I know say we want to draw from your experience so that people will to use and take better their life tomorrow and all of that. I'm going to take just this short break. We'll come back and not go anywhere. Nobody people are good money from Benin. And we get young men here when we say yes, they could tell us why it's good as a young man to go into business or at least get something on the side when we say they do. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us. We listen to look our young men, the need of why BC did not they enter into business or what they would do before they enter business. What will be the things, the difficulty when they see if they want to enter business, how we go take some out of these difficulties then. We'll be talking to you, my brother, just now, but we don't talk since we say here from my brother. What will be the difficulties when we say person they see, they encounter if you want to go into one lane walk, you know, want to get one vocation when we say they learn.
Having addressed the issue of passion, where we first talk about, we can't talk about capital. Then my brother Siri can't talk say you don't even need big money. Just like
some like you talk, say you never use capital. You never need
like
capital.
my own, it will shock you to know say na 10 naira to start. Need of 5 naira, trade of 5 naira.
Okay. You
understand? The space of time, resilience, passion, you know, go make you stand out.
Consistency.
Now, having said that, we don't talk about say.
No, I'll find out before you go for it. You don't get your own place, right?
Yes.
You get people to work for you.
Yes.
Like how many people they work for you?
Very many.
Okay, more live like
Very
that.
many, more live. Okay. So what we are saying is that if you get opportunity, God bless you. You see one big money to start. Thank God.
For any handwork you learn.
For any handwork you learn. But even with the way we even they do it now, you know, we draw up an investment plan where we say, you go know, say if I get 250, see one thing when I go fee buy as an asset. If I get 500, just like that.
You get 10 naira, go to
you
fee
get
buy.
10 naira, go to your fee buy. Small like that, you will gather your asset, take start. But a very more important something we go look at, we go just oppose with this entrepreneurship program, we say the security situation. If it is not enabling, even if you make investment, it go even feel drive you out of the business.
Okay, so that one might be one of the challenges.
Another big challenges, like we're having in Edo State now, come to talk about health, COVID-19 doing your own, protest starting your own, and the criminality now. So what we going to talk about, we say, just as we work on internal factor, you know, in economics, you go hear SWOT analysis, internal and external factors in doing business. As you dey work on your external factor, make the governor, whosoever, the police, make them settle the issue of security. Because without that, he is capable of even driving investors away. And those that are already doing business go even lock up. I dey hear now say for upper, even before evening, they come, people dey lock up
their shops.
You know, the business where they for do that time, they are hampering it. So what will they take time talk today say, make everything work together so that our state and nation will be the pride, you know, will talk about in the international community.
Okay, make I come to you, my brother. You see, now one thing when basically you say to set up the business, now that thing to run now successfully the way you want to take run now. Because don't talk and now say, we need the enabling environment, we need this one, we need all of this one. All these things when BC will put together to make one strong business. I want to ask you now, after all of this, you get into that challenge where BC person go feel fear and everything. And if you just say, hey, this challenge don't come, you go run, enter house, how it will be. So, because you talk and because the way you talk at this time, you say, like the first step for this whole thing, the hard. Why you don't get the first step now, every other they follow?
Yes, the thing we say, business itself comes with temptations. So many temptations, so many tough times. But as I dey talk am before, I go still talk am na consistency. But you know, say this thing wey you dey do, it dey give you joy. Because one thing, if the youth they begin to look at what they do, they give them joy. And then anything at all, so okay, this thing you can't take and go the money aspect. Because this money of 18, if you dey make and they give you joy, that's just the truth. When you dey make money, say you dey do this thing,
genuinely,
money they come out genuinely, and they give you joy. You want to do that thing. So for that reason, now for you to think of, okay, what can you actually do when you know, say, okay, if you dey do this thing, you dey get joy when you dey do them. Even when you see all those tough times, temptations and all that, because temptation must come, that's just the tricky truth. You talk about insecurity just now. What about people when you say that they buy fuel till they run their own offices, when you say, before you own fuel, own gen, for your own also, you, as in you don't really swear because why you know say the money what you make today is divided by 2 after you go buy diesel or you go buy fuel. You need the system for the office today on.
Okay, somebody tell me say for every situation person find himself, make you look am, see opportunity there for inside any situation person find himself.
Yes.
Because I dey hear now, my brother Ben say you they tell me for here just now. He say even the time of COVID-19,
Yes.
what people still do, see people still find business inside.
Yes.
Even the business of hand sanitizer,
Face mask.
it can't come out. The business of face mask, you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember saying the face mask come
Yeah.
here too. Business of face mask can't come out. Business of say yes, people going to sell bowl when they get tap, can't come out and everything. So the guy say for every situation, so they tell me yes, I say for every situation, make you look and where you must see an opportunity inside of that one. You know, sure now say now with the complaint of insecurity, say yes, say there's something that we can do out of this insecurity to make money.
It's possible.
But how many talk that one before we go continue from there?
It's possible. Very, very possible.
Right.
For my area right now, now somebody now write application come. Say he get your own security team with the do our vigilante. Say what we need to do now to they pay them. That one already cover side of that security for the area. Everybody will say, okay, we dey hear what they happen for town. Okay, let us contribute. We don't begin contribute money. They pay that young man. The young man now will come carry so that's what we don't employ people dress under him. That they make money with that.
Okay.
And one thing about all these whole things, this icky when they happen, so I know that the secret truth is joblessness.
Okay. No,
Let me be honest with you.
who get work now? No,
Who get work? Who they busy? Who they busy with office? Get staffs under and get so many things under am. You know go get time to carry AK enter street.
Okay. Make I for every situation we'll find.
Make I add John with my brother talk. At the year when my brother Safon they always talk say, you know go learn how to shoot gun when war don't already come. What I use now maybe say, even if where there is we talk about say opportunity they dey inside every situation we find ourselves, if they go make we dey prepare ahead. Maybe when the problem don't shele before you come dey run a task getter. It go take you unaware. So what I use now maybe say, it dey the hand of government as I first talk to create that enabling environment. Even as there is insecurity now still government go swift into action wey go forestall breakdown of law and order. Like you see protests the other day, you know, pandemonium everywhere, people they scatter everywhere. If government not take the initiative to take arrest the situation, before you come the organized private security outfit and all of that, water don't pass Gary.
But let's not forget, say, even for that protest, when we say you talk about people, they always make money out of it. So that time, people can carry food, come with sell food, and then people can carry opportunity for them to make money. So out of everything.
I'm not saying no go work, but if we prepare ahead of time, we go arrest situation before
it escalates. Sorry, tell them our friend again. I want to thank you when we say you call. Thank you so much. This matter, just a matter when we say we'll draw again. When we say we'll look some other part on the need when we say our youth.
August Ado, very sorry to cut you short. On the 19th of December, we get plans of empowering some youth, maybe like 10 youth. I want to give them 50,000 each.
Oh.
You understand? Oh. So those youths will be saying,
but they must get hard work.
They must get hard work. So those youths, feel free. If you write application letter, come office. You know our office is there. We go look into them. Write your kind of work what you want to do, your kind of business. I started my business with nothing. My brother said it starts with 10 naira. So if we give you 50,000 to start your business, I not say you can't say this money not rich or you can't. No. Now just a stepping stone for you. Say with this one, If you do say you want to do your own 30th anniversary, call us. Maybe I will happily still come the venue.
Okay, thank you very much. Because we continue there, we know stop here today. That's how our program ends today. But I want to thank you, Suri. Thank you, NBC, to come. And thank you, my brother Matthew. Rubens Ayabo, NBC, you come from shoemaking directorate. Now, here the program going today on behalf of my brothers, Emmanuel Akbalolo, Victor Rio. I will tell you, Victor Rio, if Mama don't do it, don't come out to Naomi cannot do Victor Rio. He lost his mother. My formally tell you now. And on behalf of Hilary, all the others. My name is Thomas Ado. I want to congratulate my friend and brother again, the Nogie of Ologbo Kingdom, His Royal Highness, or Jason Akenzwa, on the celebration of your 30th anniversary at the Nogi of that place. God continue to bless you. Let peace be reign for that place. My name is Thomas Ado, and good morning.
Juma'a gidana barkan ku da kwana.
Ndị agba Leano ndani o.
Wa ire meiro wario. Mari betin mari ruo. Amigo.
Nyami akaro.
Ndị be anyị ana m ekene unu. Ana m asị unu ụtụtụ ọma.